Hi, I'm Ashley, Senior Clinical Advisor at Carepatron, and I'm here to help guide you through the PAINAD Scale. What is a PAINAD scale? Pain is a common symptom experienced by people with advanced dementia, and it can have a significant negative impact on their quality of life. People with advanced dementia may experience pain differently, in that they may be unable to verbally express their pain and may show signs such as changes in behaviour, facial expressions, or body language when in distress. The Pain Assessment and Advanced Dementia Scale, or the PAINAD, can help healthcare providers evaluate pain levels and determine the best course of action. The PAINAD is a 2-point scale based on observing and evaluating physical signs and non-verbal behaviour associated with pain. Higher scores equates to greater pain. It evaluates dimensions such as breathing, negative vocalization, facial expression, body language, and consolability. There are no standard cutoffs for each symptom, rather the scale should be used as a guide for observation and evaluation. The scales can be used by a variety of healthcare professionals, including counsellors, general physicians, and more. How to use a PAINAD scale. The first step is to complete all of the essential patient information and date at the top. You will then need to rate all behaviours on the scale included. Consult the definitions to make sure that you're rating the scales appropriately and add additional notes where needed. To view a sample assessment of the PAINAD scale, feel free to visit carepatron.com. You can access the PAINAD scales through our platform by filtering in the community section and by assessments or notes. You can also type in the keyword PAINAD to find the note faster.